Hello and very welcome to presentation number 7 of the email power machine. This is the continuation of another 5 powerful subject lines. So what I said before is that subject lines are very important because that's the first thing your subscribers, your audience see when you send a message to them. Here, the first one in this presentation, you see a kind of shocking subject line. Maybe you are stupid, your subscriber asks. How am I stupid? Or I'm not stupid at all. What does the sender think about me? And that is enough to significantly increase the likelihood that one will continue reading. And that's what you want, that your subscribers read your message, see your links, click the button for the probability that you get sales. Another bit of shocking subject line. Douchebags killed her business. There's a very big chance that your audience is thinking, whoa, wait a minute, what's going on here? And that's the reason that they want to read on. Here you have another one. That's not a shocking one, but that's another one. Extremely working well. Why? Well, you see here, learn exactly how to grow giant tomatoes. The most important words in this subject line are exactly and giant. Because people feel like, okay, if I click to read the message, I'm definitely going to find out exactly how this happens. How to grow giant tomatoes. And using the word giant instead of big, that makes also the difference. Giant is something, what is this guy talking about? Giant. How giant is giant? And that just created curiosity. Another subject line is what you see here. Here you see special characters. Some sort of arrows here. Webinar, 59 minutes, and you'll get clients too. Here's how. By using special characters, you are using a different style. And also, the subject line here is about 59 minutes and not 60. Why? Well, 60 minutes is just too standard. 59 not, and that makes all the difference. Another one here. Your 7-figure plan goes bye-bye at midnight. High probability that your subscribers think bye-bye at midnight. Bye-bye at midnight? Not for me at all. Which will most likely cause your email to be opened. And also note the dots at the end of the subject line. One is going to wonder, what do these dots there? And that can be a reason, a good reason, that raises the question that something important is still to come. So the whole thing here is that every time you start with creating your subject lines, you ask yourself, how can I make my subscribers most curious with my subject line to make them open my email? To make that my subscribers see my links and click on my links. Of course, you need some kind of inspiration for your subject lines. And that's no problem, it's very simple. I have inspiration resources for you. You see here 3 inspiration resources for your subject lines. And you are going to ask me now, of course, how to use these inspiration resources. That's no problem. In the next presentation, I explain you exactly how to use these resources. So we can move on to the next presentation, and thank you very much for listening to this presentation. See you in the next video.